Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Farhani binti Nasi, student of Science Environmental Technology. In this video, I would like to present about my internship at ST Microelectronics Muar Johor. ST Microelectronics is a French-Italian multinational electronics and semiconductors manufacturer headquartered in Plan-les-Corts near Geneva, Switzerland. The company resulted from the merger of two government-owned semiconductor companies in 1987, which are Thomson Semiconductors of France and STS Microelettronica of Italy. ST is Europe's largest semiconductor chip maker based on revenue. Integrated circuits for specific application microcontrollers, microprocessors, transistors, smart cards are the examples of product produced by ST Microelectronics. ST Microelectronics has 11 manufacturing sites, including ST Microelectronics Muar, Malaysia, that has more than 4,000 employees. ST Microelectronics Muar was built in 1974 by Thomson and is now a back-end assembly manufacturing plant. I did my internship at EHS department, which stands for Environment, Health and Safety. EHS department at ST Microelectronics Muar is led by Mr. Loh Hock Chi as EHS manager and assisted by 4 EHS engineers and 1 safety and health officer. EHS department is about safety practices of environmental, health and safety inspections in a workplace that practically work to eliminate potential hazards such as wrong working methods, high noise levels, air quality or toxic chemicals. In manufacturing industry, the EHS department inspects and monitors the environment, machineries and processes to ensure safety as per government rules and regulations and industry standards. During internship, I worked together with EHS team members in ensuring EHS policy and regulations to comply. To be specific, I assisted with implementation of various existing activities such as workplace EHS inspection, internal audit program, training programs, and other EHS activities. For instance, workplace EHS inspection is one of EHS department activities which will be done twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday, or depends on person in charge called EHS guardian at a certain workspace of every department. During workplace EHS inspection, that certain workspace will be inspected based on the EHS checklist provided, which includes all environmental, safety and health aspects. After that, all of the findings will be reported to EHS guardians to analyze the findings and solve the problems, that is called corrective action. Besides, every intern that trained in ST Microelectronics is assigned to do a project that will be presented to General Manager. Therefore, I was responsible for assisting in updating existing EHS materials used internally within the organization. I upgraded the process of chemical risk assessment by creating an online process flow using several applications of Microsoft Office 365 applications such as Forms, Power Automate, and SharePoint. For an explanation, CRA form was implemented using offline form before. Hence, I integrated the form into an online version to ease the documentation process. The main objective of this project is to help the EHS member and other employees to record and access all the chemicals information easily. The CRA online form consisted of 3 processing steps in order to complete the process. First, the requester must fill up chemical or materials request form and submit to EHS department to review the chemical information. After that, EHS department will fill up chemical risk management and assessment form to evaluate the chemical risk. The last step is EHS champion from EHS department will request for approvals from HSPM champion, facility department, POISA license holder, and lastly, EHS manager to approve the chemical. Other than that, I also assisted with the development and implementation of various existing and new strategies, including programs, processes, and assisted in EHS training programs. For example, I created and prepared materials for ST Microelectronics EHS Week 2021 such as banner, bunting, poster, and Google Forms. I also created sample of online quiz questions using Google Form platforms, since online quiz is one of the EHS Week 2021 activities. In conclusion, the internship program was not only to fulfill university requirements, but it was very beneficial because it helped develop students' professional aptitude, strengthen personal character, and provide a great opportunities. It is one of the best initiatives to expose students to the real work environment, as it is helpful for students to gain exposure to the related field and explore the real world of the working environment. Students are able to learn and at the same time apply all the knowledge gained in university. Other than that, students can develop and apply the skills, theories, and concepts learned in the class at the workplace. For the recommendation, I would like to suggest to have an online logbook that could be accessed by students, supervisor, and industrial training coordinator is better. Hence, students can easily fill it and at the same time can also be monitored by their supervisor. That's all from me. Thank you.